through the streets. Around 1,000 Somalis and 18 Americans were killed in the violence.
This past weekend, we all reacted with anger and horror as an armed Somali gang desecrated the bodies of our American soldiers and displayed a captured American pilot. All of them soldiers who were taking part in an international effort to end the starvation of the Somali people themselves. These tragic events raise hard questions about our effort in Somalia. When will our people come home?
American troops had withdrawn from Somalia by March 1994. Fighting continued between the rival Somali militias as they splintered into more and more different factions. In 2004, a US-backed transitional government was